Hey guys, this is your girl Tamera Campbell here in Dallas, Texas, and oh my gosh, it is such a privilege, such a pleasure to be giving a video testimony about how Jay Morrison Academy has totally put me on the map in the real estate world. Guys, I come from a 500 square foot apartment, that I had been living in basically all of my adult life. And ever since I've taken this course, guys, it's changed not only my mindset, but also my finances. I was able to go ahead and rent out a 1,400 square foot apartment and turn it into an Airbnb. Then 2 months after the Airbnb launched, I was able to take the profits and get another apartment. Guys, and I'm this close to owning my own property. My very first property, thanks to Jay Morrison Academy. Guys, check him out right now. Jay Morrison Academy has totally changed my life. He can change